Get ready to transform your mindset and welcome wealth into your life. I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I deserve to be financially free. I attract lucrative opportunities every day. I am grateful for the wealth I already have. My income is constantly increasing. I manage my money wisely and with joy. I am open to receiving unexpected financial blessings. I release all fears about money and embrace abundance. I use my wealth to create positive change in the world. Wealth is my birthright, and I claim it now. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. My financial dreams are manifesting before my eyes. I am capable of achieving unlimited wealth. I am worthy of a rich and fulfilling life. I have the power to create the life I desire. Financial success is my reality. My bank account is growing every day. I attract high-paying opportunities with ease. I am confident in my ability to create wealth. My thoughts are focused on abundance and success. I am surrounded by wealth and abundance. I am grateful for the financial freedom I am creating. My wealth is a reflection of my positive mindset. I am open to all the riches life has to offer. I am constantly discovering new ways to create wealth. I am in control of my financial destiny. I believe in my ability to achieve great wealth. I am financially secure now and forever. I am living a life of abundance and prosperity. Click the link in the description for more ways to manifest money.